Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do my Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. If this outfit and makeup looks familiar, it's from my Ipsy bag unbagging, which I just filmed. Yeah, I am totally running out of time. This is like the last day I have to film, and then I have a whole bunch of videos that I have to edit, and it's gonna be a crazy week. So I thought I would just film both of them back to back. And right now I have to leave in just a little bit to go work out with a friend. So that is why if I seem like I'm rushing through this video, it's because of that. So please excuse me in advance. Thank you. Anyways, let's just jump into the box, shall we? So this is this month's box, and the theme is Rock 2018, Rock and Roll Soul. All right, the first item in the box is this Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. Interesting. I've never tried any of their primers, but I have tried their face scrubs, which I've gotten in past Boxycharms. So that is exciting. Let's see. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and it retails for $38. Dang. Let's wipe off my face. Okay, so I cleaned off my face so we can test out the primer. Okay, it does have a smell to it, but I mean, it's not horrible. Alright, for foundation, I'm just going to use this Wet n Wild foundation. I'm in the color Cream Beige, in case you're interested. So far, so good. It actually went on really well, and it was really smooth. It was kind of like very slightly silicone-y, so it kind of like slides on very nicely, and so far so good. I really like it. On to the next item. Oh. Let's see. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. Nice. This one is in Universal Taupe, and it retails for $24. Not bad. Hopefully it's dark enough for my brow hair. Yes. Yes. I love it. On to the next item, which is, ooh, this one's pretty big. Okay, so this is the Glam Metals by Crown Pro. It's an eyeshadow palette. Awesome. Let's see, and this retails for $25. Cool. So this is the palette. It's really cool. Oh, the little thing fell off, and it's like full of no. Oh my gosh. One of the shadows is completely crushed. Like completely crushed. Oh my gosh, what? This has never happened to me. I mean, at least not with Boxycharm. So I'm a little surprised and a little shocked. Ugh, okay. This is like totally crushed. I'm trying to press it in, but yeah, like, ugh, there's like powder everywhere right now. But it's a pretty color. Let's swatch it. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. Very messy, but very pretty. Let's just do a few finger swatches. Those 5 right there. This one's really pretty. This one was called, what? Pop Rock. It's really pretty. Ooh, this one is really pretty too. Oh, this one. Really pretty. Oh, and look at the mirror. It's like a little guitar with wings. So cute. Just gonna go to my normal go-to warm eyeshadow look. I'm gonna take this color. This one is just, I'm such a sucker for these kind of colors. Look at that. I'm going to take this color Wild Thing and apply that on the outer edge. And then I'm going to take this color, The Wicked, and place that on the outer corner. And also the bottom lash line. The eyeshadows I actually do really like. I'm still bummed about my broken eyeshadow. Where is it? My broken eyeshadow, but it's okay because the eyeshadows are actually pretty great. So yeah, and they blend it out pretty well. I like it. It looks very kind of grungy though. Didn't mean for my eyeshadow to turn out so dark, but whatever. The next product in the box is, oh my gosh, is by Pure, and it's the Bronze and Brighten palette, and it retails for $34. It's crazy. That is pretty expensive, considering that your box is only $21 a month. And ooh, this is the product. That is actually really pretty, and it comes with a nice mirror. This kind of reminds me of the ice cream, you know, with like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. Oh my gosh, what is it called? I don't know, but this is what it reminds me of. Let's see. Ooh my gosh. That was like really soft. Let's swatch these. What? Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. These are so soft. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, if they don't work as face products, I am definitely going to use these as eyeshadows. So this is called Blushing Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow. So I'm guessing the brown is like the bronzer. Alright, so I blended it out with a fluffier brush, and I actually really like this bronzer. I don't know, it's perfect for summer. Let's go ahead and try the blush. It is really, really shiny, but I actually really, really like it. I'm totally going to be rocking this palette in the summer. Finally, we will try the middle shade for the highlight. These have such a familiar scent. Like from an old school makeup kit like thing I used to have. What? So weird. Okay. Anyways, wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. kind of want to try this on the inner corners as well. I look so sun-kissed right now. It's crazy. Okay, I'm totally loving this palette. It looks a little crazy on camera, from what I can see at least, but I don't know. I like it. In person, it looks really, really nice. And the last item in the box is this Galactic Matte Lip Paint in Demure. Ooh. This retails for $23, and I've heard so many good reviews about the Galactic lip paints, so I am so excited for this. Hopefully it's as good as everyone hypes it up to be, but let's try it out. Okay, so I just gave it a few minutes for it to dry. Let's do the kiss test. No transfer. This feels really comfortable on the lips too, so far. So yeah, wow, I am really impressed with this month's box, as I am every month, but Boxycharm, how do you do it? How? So my favorite products of this month's box, oh boy, it's pretty much all of them. But if I were to narrow it down, it would have to be the Galactic lip paint, which I am absolutely in love with. I mean, this lip color is just perfect. It's perfect. And then the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I actually really like this. And this, I love this. I like everything. The only thing that kind of made me sad was the crushed, destroyed eyeshadow in the palette. But that's okay. But man, this month's box rocked completely. Wow. I'm curious to know how much the total box value is. Let me do the math for you. Oh my goodness. The total value for this month's box is $144, which is almost 7 times the price that you pay for the box, which is only $21. I say it every month. I don't know how Boxycharm does it, but keep doing what you're doing, Boxycharm. This was a phenomenal box. Wow. Just wow. Alright guys, so that's it for my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm guessing... So yeah, it ended up working really well for me. My dog just walked into the door. And I really oh my gosh, my face turned out so pretty today. Oh. Sit! Okay, the product is pretty good.